guys, what's up? This is me, Urmi. I am here with this video. It's a review video, of course. Um, I honestly wanted to say something is that I am someone, I love music. I mean, music is something that makes me. I think. Okay. Okay. Music is something that changes my mood like this. I mean, I'm a Cancerian. My mood changes in a fraction of seconds. In like 30 seconds, there are 500 moods of mine. So, is it possible to have 500 moods in 30 seconds? I don't know. You have to try this out with a Cancerian like me. Okay. Okay, guys. And of course, if you're watching this video, let me know what your zodiac sign is. My one is Cancerian. All my Cancerians say yeah. Okay. I'm gonna stop being so silly, and I'm going to make this video. Okay. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about something that have become my favorite device in the whole wide world. Okay. So I was buying Bluetooth device. I mean, I bought so many Bluetooth devices because I love to hear music in the bathroom, in the rooftop, when I'm doing my workout, when I'm working on my edits, when you say it, just name it. I mean, I cannot live without music. I love music and I love it loud. So the Bluetooth devices that I've bought, those I've bought actually, were not serving the purpose quite. I mean, they were okayish, but they were not so good. Okay, so I went ahead and I have bought this amazing thing. It is the Mivi Bluetooth device. Um, I hope I'm just spelling it right and stuff like that. Yes, it's the Mivi. Yeah. So I have a friend of mine came for a party, of course, and Shekhar, big shout out to you, bro. Okay, so he came up with his Bluetooth device, and I was like, oh my god, that's so slick. And he literally took it out of his pocket, and I was like, what was that? And he was like, I have got this from Amazon, and I I have never ever purchased any other Bluetooth device. So I was like, what is the name of it? He was like, it's Mivi. So I went online, of course, and I ordered one. And the best part of it, it was Diwali time. So I have got amazing offer on, and I just snatched the deal. It was basically on 2000 bucks, and some 2500 or something, the real price. I don't know if it is still there, but if it's there, I can show it to you guys. It's not on the box anymore, but then nah, it's not on the box anymore, but if it was, I would have shown it to you guys. That it comes with this 2000 thing. So as it reads on the back of this box, the back of the box, it is crystal clear sound. We are going to test it. I have already did and I'm satisfied, but I'm going to show it to you guys as well. So it gives crystal clean sound, premium built, nice. So before showing it to you guys, I've actually tried it on. The battery backup is really nice. If you put it through, like it is going to be like for 5 hours or 6 hours. You don't have to even that you have to put it on a battery or something. For 5 hours 6 hours, it's good. Okay, so the battery backup is really nice. It is waterproof. I'm going to show it to you guys. I have used this on a rainy season with my sisters, and it worked really nice. So it is waterproof. In fact, it is portable. Like I told you, my friend, he came with this one in his pocket. It was literally inside his pocket. Just imagine. And it's true wireless stereo. Okay, you don't have to wire it or do anything. It's just, you can just put it on and forget about it, like I told you. So we're going to put this baby on test without further ado, and I'm going to show you guys how it works. And honestly, it is so sleek. It comes with this, and it's so slow, so very sleek, and so nice. I mean, you put that on like that. It's just this blue thing that comes on. Okay, it comes with this one. Fourth thing. Let's see. And the back over here. Actually, it took me for 2-3 minutes to realize that things and stuff. It comes with this string, of course, which is going to help you to carry it on. So that's that. And yeah, so it's on. I'm going to put a song and test it. I'm going to put it on absolute blast. Water and show it to you guys if it works like it I've said, like it's water resistant and all stuff. So I'm gonna put some water in it. I'm gonna show it to you guys if it works. Like you can see, it's drenched with water. Seen after even drenched and all stuff, it was working amazing. So that was my review on this. Okay, now I want to show you guys what do I have inside the bag, what do we get inside of it, because honestly it's so expensive, so inexpensive. Okay, nice. So it comes with a charger thing like this, as you can see. Comes with this. There's another portable charging battery like this one. Comes, and then it is this one. There's a manual, and then it's this khali dabba. So that was my review on the MeWe Bluetooth speaker. If you guys have liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment below and let me know. I love you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, like really a lot to me, because I've been working so hard on this channel. So please subscribe to my channel. I love you guys.